Hi everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Update time on the Gloriosa lily, or Gloriosa Superba Rothschildiana. Started it a couple of months ago as a video just showing you the root. I just thought I'd do a little update for you. So let me turn the camera around. Right, as I said, 2 months ago I started the root section, which you can still make out, and quite frankly it sat there and did absolutely nothing for ages, and literally within about the last 10 days, 2 weeks, it's put on a shoot which is now about a foot in height. It's been indoors the whole time. I can't see any root out the bottom of it, but that's kind of what it's doing. I just thought I'd do an update because I've had a couple of people on YouTube as well as Instagram asking how the plant's getting on, if it's actually still alive. So that's the update for you, and we'll see what it does. But that's it.